Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to week 7 of distance learning. Today is the 6th of May. I hope everyone had an excellent weekend. I know many of you now have adjusted very well into the Ramadan learning hours, so thank you for your efforts there and adjusting. Another big thank you was International Day. Last Thursday, we had our online International Day. We've never done anything like this. Obviously, would have loved to have had you in school for this amazing event. But I have to say, I think it was done exceptionally well. There were so many fun things that went on from people showing obviously the national dress and sending in selfies to doing the different quizzes we had, the geography challenge to the badges, football badges, to people giving in the different music from their own countries. And we now have, I have to say, one of the most amazing recipe books from all of the families and individuals who contributed to such a brilliant collection of the most delicious recipes. So we will send that around. Thank you so much to everyone who made that very successful. Students, teachers, parents, thank you so much. That was great. And it's great to see the amount of diversity we have within our school, and we love celebrating that. Carrying on with the celebration theme, this week is Teacher Appreciation Week. It should say Teacher Appreciation Year, I think, and based on obviously the challenges that many teachers have faced throughout the course of the year. There's so many ups and downs, and this year has been one like no other, which I think many of us will remember. But I, for certain, and I say on behalf of the senior leadership team, administration, and many of my old colleagues, is how many of the teachers have adapted so well, been flexible, have had a very positive mindset in relation to the whole circumstances, and is changing all the time, and that's quite challenging. But what I do know they do is they're constantly being passionate and creative, and being enthusiastic when they're in lessons, still having that humility and being humorous, being patient, relentless, being committed, and still delivering fantastic lessons through this period. So thank you very much. There is a little video during homeroom time. If that could be played, we will send that around as well. But that's a little message from the students, and there's more things that will happen throughout the course of the week. So to say thank you, we have a little random selector. So one lucky teacher today is going to go away with their meal taken care of. I love this little thing. It's a little random name picker. So let's see who's going to get it. Okay. Who's it gonna land on? Oh, Aldane Hunt. There you go. Aldane, well done. Congratulations. Well, congratulations to all the teachers. Aldane, you got very lucky there, young man. But again, that's just a way to just say a little thank you to all teachers out there for doing the fantastic work that they have been doing. Keep up the great work, and students keep up the great work. Keep doing what you're doing, everyone. Have a fantastic week ahead.